Hello. Welcome to another Trade Like a Sniper episode. Um, I'm going to do it a little bit differently in this episode because I found a nice trade, and unfortunately, you can't publish a video in replay mode. So I always have to close it first before publishing. But this time I forgot, so it just deleted my entire video, which is unfortunate. However, I'm just going to go back in time again, and this is where I left off. Going back in time using the replay tool. I'm on Berkshire Hathaway's ETF on the New York Stock Exchange. There was recently some news about their ETF dropping 99 point something percent almost instantly. I think it was some sort of glitch. Unfortunately, nobody could buy, or if they did, everything was voided. So yeah, I thought I'd go through their ETF in this video, and I started on the 6 month. So this is where I left off. So the first thing I annotated was the 6 month gap here. We got traded into a couple of times, expanded, fast expansion back down into this general order block area. Okay. And then we expanded back up. So the nearest noticeable PD array was the 6 month bearish fair value gap, traded into it, and then expanded and created another bullish fair value gap in here. Okay, which is confluence of two PD arrays, which I like. So right now I decided to target the high as I saw this rejection and expansion up. Okay, so this seems like a high probability target, and this is the second target here. So I went down to the monthly. The monthly, yeah, so nothing was showing on the monthly yet. Okay, I just annotated these relative equal lows. That's about it. Okay, so let me go to the weekly. Right, so on the weekly, there was this gap here. It should be blue. I saw nothing in here. So after this expansion, there was a gap. And at that point of time, I think I was about here. Okay, so I had a position, initial position in here, stop loss at this low. So price came into it and took out the high. Great, that's what I wanted to see. But price came down, stopped me out here. And we'll see why in a minute. Okay, created a gap. So I decided to enter this gap, stop loss at this low. Okay, big expansion up. Decided to trail my stop loss. And yeah, really fast came up to here, right? So all these swing highs are possible areas of taking partials. But these are the two main targets. One was up here and one was up here. So it already came to this one. But I was expecting higher prices anyway, based on the 6 month. And it delivered nicely. Okay, so I went through why price came all the way down here. I believe this was a 2 month gap. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, let me put the color. Right. Okay. It was on the 2 month, and that's why price came all the way down here. On the weekly, it could have been seen as bearish as price was moving down. Where would someone target? Down here. But if you go into the 2 month, you saw a gap. And if you understood the higher time frame order flow, we were in a buy model and we were hitting up, right? So not to be fooled into price thinking that price would be in a sell model now, starting to come down and target these equal lows when there's no reason to at this current time this current fractal in order flow. Coming here, seeing this inversion weekly gap with another bullish weekly gap, good confluences, more gaps being created, lovely. Price just expands all the way up and reach the target. Yeah, so it was a really nice one. Unfortunately, I couldn't do it live with you. Not live, but I couldn't replay it live with you due to TradingView replay function, even though I want to put this as education and not analysis. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you found it insightful. Till next time, R2F signing out.